Hello everyone, and welcome to the ultimate guide on boosting your profit per hour in Hamster Kombat 2025. This video will teach you 7 tips and tricks to help you earn coins faster and climb to the top of the game. As the Hamster Kombat team has emphasized, your profit per hour is more important than your coin balance, so these strategies will be game-changing for you. Let's dive in. First tip. To start, when you're just getting into the game, tapping is your initial way to earn coins. Tapping may feel slow, but here's a quick tip. Use multiple fingers instead of one. This method will let you earn coins significantly faster. However, as you progress, tapping becomes less effective compared to other strategies. Keep this in mind as you level up in the game. Second tip. Complete the earn tasks as soon as possible. When you're a beginner, tasks like tapping won't earn much, but the earn tasks can give you an instant boost. For example, you can earn nearly 100,000 coins by watching video clips or thousands more by following Hamster Kombat on social media. The daily rewards are also key. If you log in for 10 consecutive days, you can earn over 6.6 billion coins. Make sure to check the timer on the homepage to see when your next daily reward becomes available. Third tip. Invite your friends. This is a win-win because both you and your friends earn bonuses. If you don't want to invite friends, don't worry. The game doesn't force this feature. You can still level up quickly with the next tips. Fourth tip. Upgrade your miners in the right order and check in every 3 hours. When you upgrade miners, focus on the upgrades that give the highest return for your investment. For example, an upgrade costing 20,000 coins might increase your profit per hour by twice as much as one costing 200,000 coins. Carefully compare the costs and benefits before upgrading. Additionally, the game allows you to earn offline for up to 3 hours. Check in regularly to reset your earnings and keep the coins flowing. Fifth tip. Take advantage of the daily cipher. This feature rewards you with millions of coins if you solve the correct sequence. To find the right code, search Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher on Google and filter results by the past hour or 24 hours. Once you find the current code, input it into the game to claim your bonus. This resets every 24 hours, so make it part of your routine. Sixth tip. Collect your daily combo. This feature requires you to gather 3 different cards each day. Once completed, you'll receive a 5 million coin bonus. To find the correct combo, use the same method as the daily cipher. Search for the latest information and follow the instructions. This is one of the easiest ways to earn a massive amount of coins quickly. Seventh tip. Stay up to date with events like the Hamster Kombat airdrop. While this is not directly tied to profit per hour, it's an excellent way to earn extra coins or resources. Always keep an eye on updates and take advantage of time-sensitive opportunities. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. Click the link in the description to learn all about it.